Woodworking is a craft that brings people together. These are valuable skills that can be applied to all areas of life. Imagine being able to make a living doing something you love. With the right approach, you can turn your passion into a successful career. With a little investment in tools and materials, you can start selling your creations online or at local craft fairs. With the right approach, you can turn your passion into a profitable and fulfilling career. With a little creativity, you can create pieces that stand out and command top dollar. Woodworking is a craft that's perfect for entrepreneurs. Woodworking is a craft that's both creative and lucrative. And when you sell those creations, you can make a great profit. Woodworking is a skill that can be monetized in so many ways. Woodworking is a craft that's both rewarding and profitable. The beauty of woodworking is that you can make money in so many different ways. Every knot, grain, and imperfection tells a tale about the life of the tree and the journey of the wood. These are valuable skills that can be applied to other areas of life as well. It's a never-ending journey of growth and improvement. Whether you're building furniture, carving sculptures, or constructing a house, there's always something new to create. The beauty of woodworking lies not just in the finished product, but in the process itself. It's about balancing the technical aspects of measurement and precision with the creative aspects of design and aesthetics. Carpentry is not just about building things, it's about building a legacy that will last for generations to come. With practice and dedication, anyone can become a skilled carpenter. One of the things I love about woodworking is the feeling of satisfaction that comes from turning a rough piece of wood into something beautiful and functional. Carpentry is not just about building things, it's about problem solving and finding creative solutions to design challenges. The beauty of woodworking is that it's a craft that can be passed down from generation to generation, preserving family traditions and creating new memories. From small trinkets to large structures, there's always something new to create.